How to fix "This app can't run on your PC" error on Windows. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna help you fix the annoying "This app can't run on your PC" error that shows up when you try to open certain apps. It's usually caused by either a mismatch in system architecture or security settings. So let's get right into it. First, we need to check whether your PC is 64-bit or 32-bit. Just go to the Windows search bar and type in System Information. Open that up and look for the field that says System Type. If it says x64 base PC, that means your computer supports 64-bit apps. If it says x86 base PC, it only supports 32-bit apps. So if you're trying to install a 64-bit app on a 32-bit system, it simply won't run. Alright, now assuming you're installing the right version of the app, let's move on to the second possible fix Windows security settings. Go back to the Windows search bar and type in Windows Security. Open it. Once you're in, look for App and Browser Control and click on it. Under that, click on Reputation-Based Protection Settings. If it's turned on, try turning it off temporarily by clicking Yes when prompted. Sometimes, security features block unfamiliar apps from running. Next, let's enable developer mode just in case your system is restricting app installations. Again, go to the Start menu and select Settings. Head over to the System tab. Here, scroll down and click on for Developers option. Toggle on the switch next to Developer mode. This will allow apps to be installed from any source, not just the Microsoft Store. Once you've done all that, go back and try running your app again. It should work now without giving you the "can't run" error. And that's it. If this video helped you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.